Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm balling. So I'm actually going somewhere. Yes, I got hella boxes. TMI, but who cares? So let me put these sneakers, not sneakers, slides on. So I'm going to people house. If you know me, love people yard. But yeah, I'm joking. But yeah, I'm going somewhere right now. I'm trying to get a tattoo today, right here. I'm trying to go get my nails done, my feet done. I'm trying to go get my car fixed. I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys along with me. I'm going to be, doing all of that. I'm gonna be dyeing a hair for my coworker. So I have a whole lot of stuff to do. I need to go to the dollar store to get some stuff so I can take some pictures for my lashes and stuff. I need to start working out. Probably not. I'm not never ever gonna work out. But yeah. No, I don't do coke. I don't do drugs. I don't even smoke no more. But this is the fit of the day. My NASA shorts, white, obviously, and it comes with some blue tube top. Mighty them too long, so that not gonna work for me. So yeah, I live on the 3rd floor hall. So yeah. And for some reason my G7X, like, it won't give me my footage. Like, some of them won't download or on my phone because the file is too big, or honestly the file just corrupted, so I lost those footage. So whatever, but I'm gonna go ahead and drive, so I'll talk to you guys later. I don't know how to love. All my feelings, emotions are bottled up. Put my foot in the mud, now I'm feeling stuck. You would definitely win on my times is rough. Just hold me close and touch me in slow motion. Tell me that you love me, 'cause I ain't hear that often. 'Cause I love when you next to me. You struck my heart, I feel the weed. Girl, I love your ecstasy. You know that I hit every time when you pop. And I know more time your feet for fuck you, my gun. Step forward with him, make him fight for you like Tyson. Too nice to win the ball up and girl, it just poison. Breaking news. I'm not killing girl, kiss her 'cause her pussy too. Breaking news. Girl, her pussy too. Breaking news. Every time you're walking off, I have some so lucky. I can't put money so fussy about the money. But don't take you off, when I see me on a dummy, you a walk with a steel pipe, never think twice. Okay, y'all, so I'm in the nail salon. Gonna get my nails and my feet done. I'll see y'all in a minute. So this is the before. I'm not gonna show y'all my feet at all. Y'all will see the after. Finding a color is always the hardest part. Okay, y'all, so this is the nail. Ling Ling messed up my toes. Like, one of them is tiny, one of them is big. So I don't get gel on my toes. I just went ahead and get regular nail polish because I was mad as hell, but this is my nail color. And listen, I'm just mad, but yeah.
This girl, she bad, she bad, she bad. She go along, this girl, she bad, she bad, she bad. She go along,
Hey y'all, what's up? So, Ling Ling messed up. Ling Ling messed up. Ling Ling, you messed up my nail. And it's like they weren't comprehending what the hell I was saying. Because one of my toes, Ling Ling, make it tiny. And the other one is just boop, regular size. I'm like, I'm telling her, stop. I'm like, moving my feet, stop. And she wanted to just continue. And I have to kick her finger off my feet. And that's how I got her to stop. And then the other one, she just let it be big. I'm like, okay, you know what? First and the last time I'm coming here, I'm not coming back here. It's a wrap. Ling Ling gonna ask me if I need my eyebrows waxed. Bitch, there's no eyebrows on my face. So what am I going to wax? Like, honestly, what am I supposed to wax off? My bald head? Like the nail, the color is a beautiful color, but the shape, I don't like the shape. That's, yeah. But it's whatever, you know. First and last, so, Okay, so I'm going back to people yard. Then, I'm gonna go home, go make me some jerk salad, man. Yeah, you. It's bomb. Ooh, I need to go get some avocado. Yeah, so I was supposed to stop at Walmart to drop something off, but I keep forgetting, y'all. I need my money back. So I need to go to Walmart to return these RIT dye that I didn't actually use. I will one day. I don't know when. Probably today.